Do you possess excellent time management skills? Are you detailed-oriented with a keen eye for even the smallest imperfection? Then collision repair may be the field for you. We'll teach you hands-on skills as well as the basic theory necessary to succeed in body repair and refinishing, including estimation. Practical work taught in the course will include metal straightening, frame straightening, MIG welding, mixing, and spraying paint, and polishing as you learn to repair, remove, and replace interior and exterior surfaces. Most of all, you'll learn to take pride in the shiny reflection of a job well done. Our collision technicians learn to take the dents out of accidents.